Yo guys, as you can see up at the point screen, we're gonna do a new reaction video on Suara, Audition Indonesian Idol Junior 2018. This got recommended, so let's check it out. Let's see what we're gonna see.
Dan mungkin jawabannya ada pada junior manis asal Medan berikut ini.
Kamu ada turunan
Oh, that's like, I haven't seen that. The greetings, when you have older people, we do that too. Almost the same thing, but we kiss on the hand, and then something like that, in our Turkish culture, if you know what I mean.
Halo, nama aku Nashwa Zahira, umur aku 13 tahun, aku berasal
I can't understand it guys, you recommend this,
aku sehari-harinya latihan,
it's all about the singing,
les, kadang juga di sekolah aku ngeband, terus kadang-kadang kalau misalnya ada lomba-lomba gitu aku ikut.
Foreign language? Or
saya tahu Nashwa suka nyanyi dari kelas 3 SD. Karena melihat orang tuanya juga suka nyanyi, lama-lama tertarik untuk latihan bernyanyi juga.
Dua kamu.
When she starts singing,
sama jaket, sama mau nyanyi apa hari? Kamu harus.
Say you crazy.
Ini enak banget lagu.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were lifetime. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that only gonna push me away, that's
okay,
it.
Wow.
When you say you love me, that makes me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reason when I'm done being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S.
Wow.
Makasih.
Kamu tuh memang mungkin
Let's see if she's gonna sing more or she got the ticket to go.
Aduh, dapat golden ticket nih, hebat banget.
So, guys, I can't say no more, man. That was really good because, for her age, that she has so much control of her voice, is really good. So I can say no more, man. That's really nice. So, thanks for recommending. And, I wonder, I think I might see more of this girl since this is audition too. So, we'll see what she's gonna sing and what she's gonna do. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.